If you're looking to improve your home's air quality without compromising your furnace's performance, the Amazon Basics Merv 11 AC Furnace Air Filter is worth a close look. Designed to trap common household irritants, this filter helps keep your indoor air cleaner and your heating system running smoothly. Each filter measures 20 by 20 by 1 inch and comes in a convenient 6-pack, so you'll have replacements ready when it's time to swap them out. With a Merv 11 rating, these filters capture particles between 3 and 10 microns, including dust, lint, pollen, and other allergens that can affect your family's comfort and health. What makes this filter stand out is its blend of a sturdy beverage board frame, wire mesh support, and electrostatically charged synthetic material. This combination not only traps airborne particles effectively but also maintains proper airflow through your furnace or heat pump system. That means no unnecessary strain or energy loss, keeping your system efficient. To get the best results, it's recommended to replace the filter every 60 to 90 days. This simple routine helps maintain consistent air quality and prevents buildup that can reduce furnace efficiency. It's a small step that makes a noticeable difference in your home's environment. Users across the United States praise this filter for its performance, highlighting how it effectively cleans the air without restricting airflow. One satisfied customer pointed out that the Merv 11 rating delivers excellent filtration without stifling their heat pump system, ensuring comfort without compromise. Choosing the Amazon Basics Merv 11 AC Furnace Air Filter means investing in cleaner air and a healthier home environment. It's designed for residential use and compares favorably to other filters rated MPR 1000 to 1200 and FPR 7, offering solid value in a reliable package. If you're ready to breathe easier and keep your furnace working at its best, this 6-pack is a practical choice. Keeping your air filters fresh is a simple way to protect your home from allergens and dust while supporting your heating system's lifespan. Try the Amazon Basics Merv 11 AC Furnace Air Filter when you're ready for a noticeable upgrade in air quality and furnace efficiency. It's a straightforward solution that delivers what you need: cleaner air, less dust, and peace of mind throughout the seasons.